What's up, guys? Today we're here going to show you how to make this sound system sound a little bit better for a total of $7. If you have AZ, you know that the audio system basically has like zero bass, and when I mean zero bass, go into sound settings, got bass all the way cranked up, and this is what it sounds like. Like, it's kind of there, but not quite there. So if we bring up our phone, I'll start some screen recording here so you guys could watch this in a little bit better resolution. So right now we are in this app called PowerAmp Equalizer. So this is Future Justin. I've learned that iOS does not have this app. So you're going to have to go into your Spotify settings or your Apple Music settings, and that's going to allow you to adjust your equalizer similar to these. And make sure it's PowerAmp Equalizer. The other PowerAmp app will not have the same interface and will not do the same thing that we're looking to do here. So if we just turn on our EQ settings right here, if you want to look at it, here's all my EQ settings. You could either do it manually, or you could just import what I have in this app. We have this right here. If you just tap on the Z right there, it's probably just going to say parametric for you. You could just tap on that, and then you could just press and hold on whatever you have, hit import, and then we'll have this file right here that you could download in the description, and that will import this profile that I have preset for this car. Currently I do have the Bose sound system on the Z, but right now we'll start with it off, start playing the music right now. And as you can tell, basically zero bass. Enable those settings, and the bass feels much more full. You will have to increase the volume a little because we have the preamp set a little bit lower. That's just going to help us preserve quality as we increase and change all these parametric settings. We could skip it a little ahead. And this is now able to shake this mirror, which it did not do on without any of these EQ settings. Huge difference. And you could, of course, adjust this bass and treble on the bottom as you wish. If you want more bass, feel free to increase. If you want less, decrease. This app is super easy to use, nice and simple. Again, if we press and hold on the Z, then we can do it again in here. If we go to assign, we're going to want it to be set to speaker. Bluetooth devices, you'll want to have just like a preset flat EQ just for all your other devices. This will automatically switch over. If you go to speaker, you're going to want it on speaker for if you're using Android Auto, or I think Apple CarPlay works the same way. If it does use Bluetooth audio, all you have to do is go into here again, assign, and then under Bluetooth, it's going to show your car as Bluetooth option, and you just select that, and that would show exactly what you're looking for. They do have a free version of this app. It has a time limit, so that's essentially the main thing that you're missing out on. Obviously the $7 is going to be to remove that time limit, and it will make a world of a difference. I was initially just going to replace the sub, but ended up not needing to replace the sub because this did enough for me personally. If anyone's curious, wireless Android Auto, it's got this adapter right here on Amazon. You could find plenty of them out there. Also, if you notice, this is anti-glare. Got this screen protector that just goes right on here. Went on super easily. You just pull off the buttons, put it down, and then, yeah, makes it matte. Your fingerprints don't stick. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you guys out. I think it's a huge difference. I think it's definitely worth it just to get this app. Again, PowerAmp Equalizer. I'll put everything in the description as needed. And yeah, let me know if this helped. Like, subscribe. See ya.